The apprenticeship programme at Thermo stuck out to me as I had a keen interest in engineering in school. Being part of the engineering operations team here on site, I get to see a huge variety of engineering in action every day. We get practical, site-wide, on-the-job training, and it's great being part of such an important team.
The Thermo Scientific Apprenticeship Programme is the perfect opportunity for people who want to kickstart a practical career in a dynamic industry. The programme will suit anyone interested in STEM subjects in school, someone who's curious and has a flair for engineering, science and machinery, someone who likes to solve problems. It lasts 4 years, that's 3 years of practical experience on site and a year of theory training. This is delivered in partnership with Solace. Our electrical and instrumentation apprentices and mechanical apprentices are a vital part of our team, maintaining the facilities and helping to design, install and test new equipment that keeps our site going. When they finish, they are fully qualified craftspeople, ready to work in a growing industry that's full of opportunity. And because they become such an integral part of our team, many of our apprentices stay with us after they qualify.
As an apprentice, you really feel like you're part of the team here in Cork. I work with a team of qualified EI crafts to ensure site preventative maintenance is carried out, while learning new skills every day. The team works closely together to support each other and to provide the very best training for their apprentices. I'm really enjoying this programme and would recommend it to anyone looking for a hands-on route into a practical career.